Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation F10 F11. If you guys need to remove or replace the trunk switch, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. That's a weak spot, eventually they start failing and as a result you will not be able to open your trunk. Because either the micro switch can quit working or the handle itself, the rubber seal will crack right here and that will prevent the trunk from opening guys. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. And if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, practically any model, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. We are constantly adding new cars, so we are constantly working on problems that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's explain how to fix that now. First we need to open the trunk. Once we open the trunk, we get a Phillips screwdriver and we're going to remove a couple of screws holding here. This thing, do not remove them because the liner goes around them. So let's go ahead and see how much we need to pull on this. Okay, that's a clip. Check this thing out. It's a screw type of clip, and once you unscrew the middle piece, the rest comes out guys. So those are special ones. Perfect. Two. We have two on the other side that we need to remove as well. Let's go ahead, remove those. Oh, right there, before it jumps. And we're getting this one now. Number 3. Let's see if we have more on this side. 4. So symmetrically you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These things, do not mess them. Do not mess with them because they adjust how much to close and open your trunk. So it can be adjusted. Right here now. Okay, check this thing out. We have one more there in the corner. We will have one towards the back, right there. Let's do that one too. This one is a little bit stuck guys. So let's see if it's going to come out. Nope. We probably need to unscrew it a little bit more. Let's see. We might need to get pliers or different tools here. It looks like it's stripped, so it doesn't want to unscrew quite more. So if we come underneath right there, okay, it came out just like that. Now we come one more on this side. Let's go ahead and do that one too. We're stripping them that way. I mean, we need to push in a little bit because that's not unscrewed all the way probably. Okay, it popped out. We have one on top now. Okay, before we do that one, let me show you one thing. Here you're going to open your tool compartment. And you're going to grab that thing, twist it sideways so you can pull it out. Okay, now we're working on that last one. So let's see if it's going to come out now. Perfect. That trunk liner. Okay, let me see if we have anything else holding anywhere. We might have a few clips guys holding in place too. Let me see. No, nothing. These clips from what we see. No, that's just the handle there. So that will not be it. This handle, if you want to disconnect it, okay, we'll show you how to do it. You just push that thing and you get the thing out. Okay, let me show you a little bit. Here We have a couple clips, you can see like these ones. We have one right here as well. I'm trying to see where that one is. Okay, right there is one clip. Okay, that's the handle, that's not a clip. But that handle, guys, on the inside you have two more hidden screws that we couldn't see. So being upside down, that helps. Okay, one is out. We have one more after that on the other side. That's why it's always a good idea to watch until the end so we know what's happening, guys. Okay, let's see if that one is going to come out. Perfect. Now let's see what we have here. That one now. Okay, the handle. One second. That handle, if you want to disconnect it, you push that thing to the back and you pull it out. Okay, that thing goes to the back. Let's see what else we have here holding in place, guys. Okay, it looks like that's where, okay, that thing is going for the tooth. So that thing for the tooth, okay, let me just see if it comes up somehow in a certain way. No, it doesn't, but it looks like it has hidden screws right here, two of them with a Phillips screwdriver. Check this thing out, how hidden that is, right? Hidden screws, they look like carpet, you cannot even see them. I just dropped one, let me grab it quick while we're removing the second one. They're just regular metal screws. German engineering at its best. And the whole trunk liner came out just like that. So now, guys, for the trunk switch, okay, it's this one here. You need to remove your tag, okay, right there. In some cases you may need to remove that bracket too. We'll see if we'll be able to do that. You're going to access from, okay, we'll leave it like that. From underneath there is two clips, we'll show you, okay, where they are. So let me see now. If I can push them with my fingers, I'll show you where they are once we remove it, guys. Okay, where exactly everything is located. And let's see if it's going to come out now. Yep, so we didn't have to remove the thing. Now, right here, let me get a small screwdriver. Don't pull for the wires because you can severely, guys, damage them. Come on. Okay. And we removed it, guys. You can see that's the switch that was causing our problem. It wasn't opening. Why? Because right here there was a problem, guys. It was broken. You can see right here the handle was broken. It wasn't pressing that button in. Okay, so everything was caused because of the broken rubber, okay, right here, and eventually, okay, it fails and it cannot press it in. Maybe, okay, the new one will fix it. Let me show you now. The new one is right here. Perfect. And let me show you where all the clips are located, guys. We're talking about this clip here. You have a clip there, that's the ones that I pressed in and pried on the outside with a plastic tube, and two here. You have two on the sides and one right here on the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it came out. So we're going to go ahead, grab it now, okay? We have to plug in the wire. Perfect. Align everything really good. Let's see if that mount will be in the way. Yeah, let's see if it's going to come in. It's super tight, guys. Super tight fit. And that works. You can see it moves the actuator easily as well. So that's how you guys remove the trunk. Okay, the trunk switch right here on BMW 5 Series. If you want to see anything else, let us know, guys, on that BMW. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.